All right, Roshan, this is the 16 channel DVR as you requested. As you can see here, none of the BNCs are plugged. So, and I'm going to plug in this camera over here. So what I do is I simply plug it in. All right. You have to make sure that the video is showing. So you have to make sure the video is showing before you start to configure the settings here. All right. So if you know already what the channel it uses, you can just directly configure it from here. But if you don't know, then you go over here to search it. All right. But either way, after the search, when you get the video feed, it means that the control check is working properly. So so the channel over here, it means it reads the informations from the camera. So this is read and this is write. So when you want to change the frequency, you change it here. All right. For example, right now we are on channel 5, so that's equivalent to 237 kilohertz. So we want to change it to, for example, 9. All right, then you just click on save. Basically, I think the whole procedure is quite simple. Now you see that it says that camera set frequency success. So right now, the DVR will match the channel 9 from the frequency change to your channel. Remember, this is read and write, okay? So you have to differentiate clearly. All right, so remember, after each frequency change, you must wait the camera for it to reboot so it can start to take effect. All right, let's verify. So we are on number 9 right now. You can also use this one, control check, to check if the signal is working properly, including the return channel. So that's a success, and all are failed. Well, of course, because they're not connected. All right, so this is it for this video. If you have further questions, just tell us, okay?